Hey everyone, it's Exo Man, and today I want to show you these little gadgets, these window and door alarms, these little tiny, affordable chimes and alarms. So these function, you can buy a multitude of brands or all kinds of different uh, types of these and manufacturers. This one is a little GE unit. I got 4 of these alarms for like less than $20, and they're really neat. Come over here and I'll show you. I've got a wireless home system, but I just wanted to show you how these work. I've got one here, and I'm going to turn it to chime. Isn't that wonderful? So if you have kids, or you know, you're worried about somebody coming in and out at night, and if you don't have an alarm system, that's at least something. That's the chime, and now this is the alarm mode. And these are magnet activated, so let's put one on, and I want to show you how easy it is to install. Okay. So here you go. There's 2 parts to each unit. This is your magnet, and this is your alarm. So when these are separated, there's a magnetic switch in there, and that causes it to chime or alarm, depending on how you set it. And these particular units come with batteries, see? And when you want to use them, all the brands are probably similar in this regard. You pull this tab out. Well, that's not supposed to happen. So we'll just put that back in there. See how difficult that is. Not too bad. Also, look, with this unit, there's a test button in the battery compartment. I press that black button, and it shows me that the batteries are good. So you can test these in place without too much trouble. Now what I'm going to do, now you can configure these in any way. Come on over, let me show you this. There's a number of ways you can configure these. On a door, like the slider I just showed you, it's easy enough to have it pull apart. Here I can't do that because where am I going to do that? The window's going to slide up and down. So what I'm going to do is mount this magnet like so to the windowsill, and then mount the alarm right next to it like so. So we'll put this about here. And you can put this any way you want. You can put it like this or like that, on its side. But I'm going to put it flat like that. Okay, and I'll show you in theory how this works. So we'll turn it to chime. Okay. Now if I put it flat, watch what happens. It works, right? If I put it sideways, it works. Watch. So no matter how you mount it, it's going to work. So you just take the included You have an included 2 double stick tape. 3M is a pretty good company. And you want to stick that on your magnet, and just use common sense, as to what you apply first. But in some scenarios, it's good to apply your magnet first and get that on there real good. Okay. And we're going to put this about, I've already cleaned this with some alcohol. Right, it's kind of difficult to get in here, and I've got these strings in my way. I'm going to put it a little lower to get away from that seam, and push that nice and hard. Press it hard to the window. Now let's put this on real quick. Your instructions are on the back here, and you're going to cover them up, so you want to read those first. Of course, you have a manual too. Okay, now you want to pay attention that your controls are out where you can see them, and don't accidentally stick it that way, or you won't be able to control it. So just put that near enough. It's got like it can be almost a ½ inch away and still function. And there we go. Now we'll turn it to chime. Now we'll turn it to alarm. And that's pretty audible sound. I mean, this is not the end-all in security, but it's just a little extra thing that you can use to keep your home secure and know when windows and doors are being opened. So, all right. So please remember that this is not a review of any specific product. As I said, there are a multitude of these brands and of this type of device on the market, and I don't know which one is better than the other, as I have not done a comparative analysis, and this wouldn't be a review because I haven't used any of them for an extended period of time. I just kind of wanted to introduce you to this technology in case you haven't been already, so that you will know that there are these affordable, fun little gadgets that you can use in your home. In the end, I think that the best unit for most of us would be something such as we have here, which is a whole home wireless system. And it doesn't hurt to have extra security, to take extra precautions. I know that I do, in a responsible fashion, so that we can always be safe. I've always got something close by. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.